welcome back to my channel Sushi Chatterbox. So basically I just had my shower और अब मैं बनाने जाऊंगी lunch. The thing is my mom goes to my new house, like our new house, because अभी वहाँ पे construction work चालू है. We'll be shifting there within like 2 to 3 months. तो अभी बहुत काम है and I have to like take care of the house. Jackie get to in the house every day, so I'm going to be making lunch. और आज Sunday है, so I thought why not make something junky. We eat a lot of junky, so let's get started. So first I'll shift in 2.5 cups of maida. So this is 1 cup, this is half cup, so 2 cups of maida. After maida, we need 3 tablespoons of baking powder. One teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna mix this. In this, I'm going to add oregano. Mix this again. So 3/4 cup of water. So I will pour in this. I'm going to use the same maida wala thing because I'm someone who likes measure everything and then make something. Agar मैं like online देखूँ तो obviously I'm going to do this every time I cook. And in this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. The water in like one go, क्योंकि फिर अच्छे से मिक्स नहीं होगा. पानी थोड़ा कम पड़ा, so like I'm just going to basically put 2 tablespoons of water. Keeping this aside for like 10 minutes till the time the dough is getting ready. I'm just gonna grease this plate, oven ka plate, about 12 inches shayad. I didn't measure it. So after that I'm just gonna grate the cheese for a pizza. फिर पिज़्ज़ा हो जाएगा बेक होने के बाद. So I have the cheese ready. अब मम्मी वाले में I'm just gonna put spread sauce क्योंकि mom doesn't eat onion and garlic. So this sauce is basically without that. Spread. I'm spreading cheese on this, generous amount of cheese. A little bit कम because मम्मी को cheese नहीं पसंद. I've topped it up with veggies और अब ये जाने वाला है ओवन. जब तक मम्मी का हो रहा है we'll go and make ours. इसमें I'm going to add डॉक्टर ओटकर का पास्ता एंड पिज़्ज़ा सॉस. I'm trying this for the first time. One now even we used to eat that sauce wala pizza. This is how it turned out. मैंने 2 मिनट पहले ही निकाल दिया. I didn't have that much patience, but it has cooked. Cheese has melted और वो bubbly हो ही रहा था. I'm just gonna sprinkle some oregano. और मम्मी वाले में I'm just gonna sprinkle this one chilli powder क्योंकि like कोई मिलावट नहीं. And I'm just gonna cut it also.